In this video, we'll take a look at the Bible word clouds generator in SwordSearcher, a scripture discovery tool that helps you look at verses or words in a new way. In the Bible panel, there's a button here that says Generate a Bible Word Cloud. I'm going to click it. And we can see that a Bible word cloud has been made from 1 John chapter 1, the chapter I was reading. The word cloud is a visual way to see which words are emphasized in a passage of text. For example, the word fellowship here appears in 4 of the 78 words in this chapter and 3 out of the 10 verses, and is quite large compared to the other words. At holding the mouse over the word, I could also see the first and last use of the word in this passage. You can easily change the passage that the word cloud is using by typing a new one here or using the pull-down menu. I'm going to change it to use the entire book of 1 John as opposed to just the first chapter. And as you can see, there are lots of presets you could choose from this menu. Visually scanning this word cloud shows us several strongly emphasized words throughout this book. I see love, one, son, spirit, whosoever, and world. My mind's already racing ahead on other Bible searches I want to do based on this word cloud, but I'm going to show you some more features of this tool first. Let's go back to the top. The first thing you can do is change the scale. Different word clouds will look better with a different scale setting, and you could just slide this left and right in order to change how large the words are compared to each other. It's very easy to reset if you just right-click it and select Reset Scale. And there are some settings. The Don't Include Very Common Words is a good setting to leave on. Word clouds work best when you have common words excluded, so this is what it looks like without that. The word and is very heavily emphasized because it's a common word, but it's not very useful in our word cloud. So I'll turn this back on. And if you find that there are some words that you always want removed from your word cloud, you can add them to the exclusion list here. The next setting is Combine Word Forms, and I'll show you how this works. Take a look here. You have the word believe, believed, and believeth. If you click Combine Word Forms, they'll all be combined under a single heading, the word believe. This can make a more appealing word cloud and is usually the setting I would recommend. Now if you click a word in a cloud, like this, you could see all of the verses in the passage with the word. And since we have combined word forms selected, you could see believe, believed, believeth are all included in this. So you could do a further study based on these verses from here. Let's go back to the word cloud generator. Make it a little bigger again. There's some more options based on a right click. You can right click a word, and let's say you want to remove a word from this word cloud temporarily. When I click this, it'll remove this word from the word cloud. If you want to do this a lot, see there's a whole bunch of words in here that you're not interested in right now, you can hold down the control button and just click on them, and they'll be removed from the word list, and the word cloud will be regenerated as you do that. And you can see down here it tells you you've excluded 5 words, and this button up here will reset the word cloud, and it tells you which words you've excluded, and if you click it, your word cloud will be regenerated with those words included again. Down here you have a save and a copy option. If you click save, you'll be able to save an image of the word cloud to a file. And if you click copy, I'll show you here. I've clicked copy. I'm going to open up a paint program and I'm going to paste it in. So you can see the entire word cloud has been pasted in as an image that I can use in a paint program. I could print it, include it in a presentation, and the entire word cloud is included as you can see here. Back to SwordSearcher. There's one more thing I want to show you about the word cloud generator. I'm going to do a Bible search for the various forms of the word justify. So we have 57 verses. The verse list has an option to generate a Bible word cloud from the verse list. So instead of using a passage of scripture, you're using the verses inside the verse list. So these are all of the words from those verses. Obviously, the word justify is going to be very large because it was our search word. But you could see these other words that are very commonly associated with justify and justifieth and justified. This is a very interesting way to continue studying a topic and to discover new verses based on a Bible search. You can have a lot of fun with this. I hope this is useful for you, and thank you very much for watching.